Hello and welcome. I am Jess Campmans, guided by Equus, and this is your Horse Wisdom Insights for the week of November 2nd. I'm here with Karma, and it's been crazy windy all day. And so I walked over here, and she was the first one to come and greet me. And it's interesting that she's found a number of burrs that almost makes it look like she's got a crown, and that they're braided in kind of like a flower child. And this week, it feels almost like that idea of tapping into, I want to say, the essence within. And funny that about an hour ago, my daughter came home, well, all my kids came home with their school pictures, and my daughter and I were comparing ours. And I remember that back in my junior high years, I dressed between a cowboy and a hippie. I had kind of my own style, and I had really long hair, and I would wear a bandana and either bell bottoms or cowboy clothes. And it was like I was kind of creating my own culture with my clothes and my hair. And that's what Karma reminded me of when I came here, just with all of the burrs in her hair and kind of that crown of burrs that could resemble flowers or added elements to who she is, I guess. And how does that relate to this week? It's funny, she just stepped forward and kind of nodded her head, yes. It feels like this week and this month, there's almost, because this month has to do for sure in Canada, but in many places with November 11th, with the idea of remembering. And that's what kept coming to me, is like remembering aspects of who we are in relationship to our past, and where we recognize that we were, the words trying to symbolize ourselves through ways of being or dressing, or things that we used to engage with and bring our creativity, the expression of who we are as an aspect of ourselves through. So that is dressing up in the clothes that you wear, in drawing, in creating art, in just being yourself as an expression of you into the world. And also this idea of where that was, I want to say, stifled or denied. And this month, and this week in particular, it's like a going backwards in time to recall those memories as a reminder of something that was ignited within us a long time ago, and that we are kind of reconnecting with this month in a way that is helping inform us of a deep kind of soul level rootedness. And I know this might kind of sound like I'm going all over the place here, but it's almost wanting to beckon us back onto our connection or our relationship with who we were, as a reminder of who we are, I guess is the best way I can say it. And so maybe more right now, there's an experience that's kind of wanting to be called forth, because Karma's the only one that's joining me here. And if I can bring her in without it getting too loud. And it's like right now, if you guys can hear me, by closing your eyes, there's an image or a memory that kind of comes to mind. And it is that is wanting you to connect back to it, to connect to the essence of who you were through being able to express yourself like that. Or in some cases, maybe not being able to express yourself. Whatever that memory is for you, it's calling to something within you that is wanting to rise into your conscious awareness, so you can connect to the deeper truth of that. And by doing so, we're actually tapping into an element of our soul that we had, I want to say, kind of let go of, and it's wanting to really be recognized and like brought back in, kind of embraced, I guess is a better way to say it this week. And there's one more piece to this that I'm trying to just pay attention to. I guess it is that idea of listening deeper. Because when we listen to our heart's desire or our gut instincts around these memories or these images that we're recalling from our past, without needing to do anything other than acknowledge what it is that we feel as these memories rise up within us, to remind us of something that was near and dear to us at a time that we maybe really didn't know what to do with it. And it's like I'm getting that inner smile coming, so it's almost like that's the message for this week. So just taking a breath on that. And if you need to watch this video a couple times to help you go back into that experience of it, and there might be more things that you yourself are needing to recall and kind of summon forth within your conscious awareness to be able to have the acknowledgement of what all of these pieces are, so that you can go out into the world and become that expression of yourself this week and this month. So much love to you from myself and all of the horses who are out enjoying this wind right now. And I look forward to seeing where November brings all of us. Take care, and a warm embrace from Guided by Equus.